Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of what's going on down on Saturday for our create along. We're gonna make some rings. I've been playing around with, y'all saw these, I made these last week. I forgot to bring them with me to my vendor show. And I had a lot of, well, not a lot, but several of you said you can't wait to see how I made them. So we're going to make a couple more of these. And I've been playing around with this style. I had a couple of kids come to my tent last week, and I didn't have anything in smaller sizes, so I was playing around with watching some YouTube University, trying to find some simple designs for the kiddos. And this one's small. That's a pinky ring size, and I like it, but I want it to be smaller. Here's another one with the same style. So we're going to make a couple of these. I did it in a larger gauge. This is aluminum. And I did it in a larger gauge wire. I was trying to make something a little bold. And you might think aluminum's not strong enough for rings. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I really like this style because it's easy, and I'm gonna see what we can do to embellish the top. So if you have, this is a 1.5 millimeter thick wire. I don't know what gauge that is. I want to say it is 18. It's got to be more. No, it's not 18. It's probably 16 gauge aluminum if you want something thicker. This one is 20 gauge, and these are 18 gauge. So let me show you what I'm going to pull out on Saturday, 4 p.m. It's going to be June 1st. So we're going to have some 18 gauge wire. This one is, I think, coated copper. I want to say it is. I think it's coated copper. I don't know. It is jewelry wire, and it's 18 gauge. That's 1 millimeter. And so these are the colors that I'm gonna play around with. I'm gonna make some rings in these colors. All of these are 18 gauge, but I'm also gonna have some 16 gauge. I think this is 16 gauge. That's the one I made this one with. And I'm also going to have some 20 gauge, which is what I made this one with. And usually I use 20 gauge or 18 when I make my rings. But anyway, we're going to have some fun Saturday, June 1st at 4 p.m. And we're going to make some rings. We're going to try and see what we can do on top here to embellish it. Got some ideas. I'm hoping that you guys join me. And if you are not already, please get in there and create something amazing. Bye.